Okay guys, so today we're going to go a little more in depth into what exactly a variable is, and just give a little more detailed explanation as to what they are. So, probably for the last time in this video series, I'm going to go through how we create our Java project and everything like that. So we're going to go to Java project and let's call it variables. Open it up, go to source, new package. I'm just going to call it bars. And then I'm going to make a new class. Now we're just going to call that main public, and we're going to check that checkbox. So here we've already gone over some of the data types. So I'm going to make a string, which is a data type, and then I'm going to make the actual variable, which I'm going to call string str. Now all that is right now is something in memory that, at least for our purposes, we know to call it str. Right now there's nothing stored in it, so this and this statement, and actually I gotta change that so it doesn't underline it, get mad at me. So these two statements are exactly the same, and all null means is that there's nothing stored in it, it's empty. So you can either do this or this when creating a new variable if you don't want to necessarily put a value in it right away. And what that'll let you do is come down here and let's say I now want to put the value of hello world in this variable. And honestly, it's just a little bit easier way to do stuff, especially if you don't know what value you want to put in the variable right away. And again, variables, all they are is basically a part in memory that's storing some sort of data, whether it's a string, an integer, a double, or some custom data type. And we'll get into that a little bit later, more about custom data types. It's stored in memory, and basically it's just a way for you to reference it, a way for you to call it in memory. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, this was going to be a quick video, but just to kind of provide a little more explanation into what they are, just in case anybody was unclear. So thanks for watching. In my next video, I'm either going to do arrays or explain a little bit more about methods and classes. I'm not too sure yet.